So hey gamers, in this video I'll be showing you guys the pre-made settings for Apex Legends that you can use for your PC to boost FPS. Now one thing that I have to say is that this settings is for people who can already play the game but just want to get more FPS out of their PC. So anyway, I think you can use these settings to get more FPS. Now this might work for you, might not work for you, I can't guarantee you anything, but I think it's worth giving it a try. So let's just get right into it. Anyway, if you're new here, you might want to consider subscribing because we do gaming on a low spec PC here. So just go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now. So first of all, what you have to do is go to this PC. Now what you want to do is download the file that is linked in the description box below. I have already downloaded it, so I have it here. It's called settings Apex. So just go ahead inside it, and here you'll see two files. One is 720p and another is 900p. Now you can select whichever you want according to your GPU or your PC. I'm just going to use the 720p here. Now what you want to do is copy this file from here. Just copy. Now go to your C drive, then go to users. Then here you'll find your name, just go inside that file and then go to saved games, then respawn, then Apex, then you want to go to local. Now here you'll find a file called video config. Now what you want to do is right click on it and set rename and set it to something like backup or something. So now if anything goes wrong, you see that the setting is not working for your PC properly, it's just not working well. So what you can do is just remove this backup from here and it will start working anyway. And your settings will be back to normal as you used to use it. So just paste it right here. Now that is pretty much it. Now you can just go inside your game and see if it works. Now for me it worked, but for you I can't guarantee you anything. I think it will work, I think it will not work. So just give it a try. So I think that was it for today. I know it's a small video, but I hope these settings work. I'm not sure if it will work or not. Just give it a try. So yeah, this is it for today and I'll see you guys in the next video.